सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः ओम सिद्धक्रिया बाबाजी नमः Good morning, very good morning. Welcome to Himalaya Siddhakriya Yoga. Yes. Awareness and realization every moment. Now, everything lockout status, life. We are living in lockout practice. What to lock? How to lock? Yes, since many years we kept ourselves open. We have not cared about ourselves. I have to do that, I have to do this, I have to achieve that, I have to win that, I have to win people, I have to prove myself, I have to show myself. Like this, many things. Now we have to lock out them and open something else. Open something else. Work from home, think from home, do from home, see from home. Yes, from home. Everything from home. Everything as you. No connections. Now you are living complete you. Yes, complete you have to live. In many situations we used to feel mine, I am mine. Now you see, what is mine? You ask, what is mine now? What is mine? Your house is your own, only yours now. Your family, your children, yes. Your own living, your own realization is yours. Mine. मेरा कितना तक मेरा, कौन सा मेरा, समझ लीजिए. दिस इज ए ग्रेट लेसन फ्रॉम कोरोना. ग्रेट लेसन. यस, आता है कोई ना कोई आके हमको शुद्ध करता है, शुद्ध बनाता है. somebody will come and clean, and somebody will come and alert from your root level. Now it is happening very blessed status actually, one way. Now everything minimum, speaking minimum, eating minimum, because we are not having any exercise, walking or living outside. Less hungry. Spending minimum. No money, very less money as per the day requirement. Less expenditure, no waste expenditure. Yes, beautiful moment. You cannot talk to anybody. बाहर जाने के बाद बहुत कुछ बात करता था. Unnecessary things, unwanted things, unrelevant things we have used to speak and discuss. Now Only one thing, how to save myself from corona, what steps to be taken, how I am now, मेरे अंदर क्या चल रहा है, मेरे बाहर क्या चल रहा है, मैं क्या करूं. अभी इतना टाइम मिल गया सोचने के लिए, इतना टाइम मिल गया. रियली ग्रेट अपॉर्चुनिटी खुद को देखने के लिए, खुद को समझने के लिए, टू अंडरस्टैंड योर सेल्फ एंड to see your totality, reality. This is the best opportunity. Yes, use it, live it. Now it is 21 days matter. No other go. You cannot, should not go out. Still live maximum in your own home. Same way, live maximum in your own inside. अच्छा लग रहा है. This we are doing since many years. When we go to Himalaya, when we live in our ashrams Himalaya, there is no crowd, there is no people. So we live ourselves there with silence or sounds of nature. We live with sounds of nature in Himalaya. Since 22 years, 23 years I am living there. Sometimes I am coming and living with people here, but maximum refreshment or realization there only. Aloneness there. We don't feel to talk with anybody. There our food system also very less eating. Yes. Walking in the forest alone. Yes, alone. Now total world have to follow this aloneness, isolation. Yes, good opportunity, good necessity, right teaching. Now everything comes from inside. अंदर से ही आता है. अभी अंदर से ही सुनने का, अंदर से भी समझने का बहुत कुछ. So actually we used to tell everybody, in a day out of 24 hours at least 1 hour you live like this, become zero, go beyond gender, go beyond your status, power. सभी अधिकारों से बाहर चले जाओ, अलग हो जाओ. सभी रिश्तों से थोड़ी देर के लिए अलग होके बैठो. खुद बन के बैठो. We are telling our people, somebody is practicing daily, morning and evening, half an hour at least, I told. Now days together we have to practice this. Days together, 21 days, or we don't know how many more, because a devil is waiting outside if you go out. Actually, this way many viruses already attacked. That's why we were attacked by viruses. Maya virus. Maya virus. कोरोना वायरस बोल रहे. कोरोना सालों से, शताब्दों से, सेंचुरी ऑनवर्ड्स. कोरोना सोचो ना. लेकिन करते करते आया, एक माया वायरस पकड़ गया. वैसे ही जीना, माल को जाना, बाहर जाके ही खाना, ये सब एक तरह का वायरस पकड़ा गया. Now it is cleaning. No mall, no roaming, no unnecessary discussions, not to waste money, not to waste energy of speaking. Yes, very nice. Now, really, Corona, don't do. Yes, we have to undoing ourselves now. We have to undo many things now. We have to undo. Otherwise, we lose a lot. Kalimaya, Yogamaya is capturing and captured and capturing continuously. It is doing its own work. हम नहीं समझ रहा है, अभी समझ सकते, अकेला बैठ के अभी समझ सकते. Yes, now we got time to realize ourselves. Realize, more realize what is yours, who is yours, whom for you have to live, what way you have to live, what is your goal. Yes, सब समझने का वक्त आया. Now you find time to know your reality. You can live without working. You can live without money also. You can live without doing many things. Now realize. Make yourself realize. Keep on realizing. Thank you. I love you. I love you. I love you.